Hello my friends, welcome back, and inside this video I am going to show you how to block Internet Explorer number 6. Now this will be your decision if you want to block Internet Explorer 6 or not, but anyways I am going to show you how to do it. And first of all, you will need to download this software, which it is going to be really helpful when developing websites. And this software will let you test your website inside Internet Explorer number 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And coming soon, you are going to be able to preview on Internet Explorer number 10. Down below, you will find an icon, download the book bar, and you are going to get transferred to this page. Now, this software will only work on Windows 7, Vista, and XP. If you scroll down, you are going to be able to find this link, and then you will need to only follow the instructions to finish the website, and then you are going to be able to see this software like this one in here. Okay, let me go to the next window. Now we are going to be using some JavaScript files that are going to be provided inside the CSS Tricks website. If you scroll, well actually if you notice down below, you are going to find an icon that will say ES6 blocker block, and when you click on that icon you are going to get transferred to this page. Now first of all, we are going to open the index.php. Let me go to my CMS Stitches folder and open the index.php on the Komodo edit, and then inside here you are going to go inside the head. Now you are going to include a conditional comment, which will only work when the user is browsing your website with Internet Explorer number 6. And how you are going to be able to accomplish that? Well, let me show you. Down below this video you are going to be able to find this code by the way, and let me start with my initial angle bracket, then exclamation mark, dash dash, and then you are going to use the square brackets right there. Inside the square brackets you are going to use, now the square brackets should be next to the P key, okay? And inside the square brackets you are going to write down if LTE, then a space, and in capital letters IE, and the number 6. There you are. Then finally dash dash and the final angle bracket. Let me separate these 6. There we are, and then click enter, and we are going to close this comment. Initial angle bracket, exclamation mark, and the square brackets, and inside there and if, and then outside dash dash and the final angle bracket. Inside there we are just going to copy the code below. Well actually you can copy everything from below, everything that I am doing, and you are going to have like this. And if you analyze the source code in here, this will be the location from the JavaScript files that we are going to be using. We are going to keep using the echo this base URL, which again will import the domain name from our website. Well, that's the general idea, and then we are going to have the location inside the templates folder, CMS Teachings, and then inside the GS folder, these are going to be the files that we are going to insert inside there. Now down below I also include another icon, which will be download JavaScript files, and when you click there you are going to get these files. Let me go to my desktop. You are going to get this zip file, which will be Internet Explorer 6-blocker.zip. When you unzip that folder you are going to get these 2 files, okay? And what you are going to do is upload these 2 files inside your JavaScript folder. So let's go to FileZilla, and inside JavaScript right there on my server. Then we are going to go back on my left. Let me go to my desktop, double click on this top folder so I can go back right there, scroll down, and here I am going to have these files. Right click and upload. There you are. Now the next step will be of course save these two files inside our CMS Teachings folder. So we are going to right click, copy, then we are going to go to the CMS Teachings, JavaScript, right click, and paste. Because again, we are saving the files inside our server and inside our computer. The next step for you will be upload the index.php with the changes. So let's go back in here, click on this top folder so you can go back, and you are going to replace this old index.php which won't have the changes that we did inside the new index.php. Let's go in here and upload the new index.php. Right click and upload. Click OK. And now we are going to go back to the home, refresh, and right click and view page source. We are going to analyze that the changes are going to appear in here. But if you notice, the changes are not going to be there. Why? Because if we actually go back to the Komodo edit, you are going to be able to see this asterisk at the top, which means we have not saved the file. So we will need to go to File, Save, then go back and upload again. Click OK. One more time. Let me refresh. Right click and view page source. Now as you can see, you are going to be able to see all the code that we just add inside our index.php. The final step will be to test the JavaScript files. Let's go in here and we are just going to copy the URL. Right click, copy, then inside the IE tester, well, the Internet Explorer tester, you are going to open Internet Explorer 7. Inside here you are going to paste, click enter, and there you are. Now we are going to test Internet Explorer number 6. Let's go in there, right click, paste, and click enter. Now as you can see, we are going to be able to see this message. Sorry, Internet Explorer 6 doesn't support this page. If you would like to access our content, please use Internet Explorer 7, 8, 9 or another browser like Mozilla Firefox. And if you notice, the image in here won't appear. Why? Because actually I forgot to upload the image inside the images folder. Let's go back in here, and if you click down below inside download Internet Explorer 6 image, you are going to be able to get this image. Let me show you that. Right click, and this image will be the one that you are going to be able to download. And when you click down below, you are going to get the zip file. Then let me just copy in here. Well, you can just, the only thing you will need to do, I am just right now pasting the image in here on my desktop, but the only thing you will need to do is upload that image inside your images folder in here. So let me go back to my desktop and upload that image. Right click and upload. Then we are going to refresh this page, and there you are. Now as you can see, we are going to have the full image and the message together. So my friends, as you can see, that's how you are going to be blocking Internet Explorer number 6. And again, it will be your decision if you want to do it or not. But believe me, when you start developing your CSS styles, Internet Explorer 6 will become a pain, because most of the time you are going to find a lot of troubles with the CSS layouts. But you're not going to be able to know that only until you start developing the CSS. For right now, my friends, that will be it, and let's move on.